Hey, radical thought. So, today's radical question: is our education system flawed? Let's explore the facts. See, everyone is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, or a cat by its ability to fly, then they will live their whole lives believing that they are stupid. The education system's attempt to conform the way students think and control every aspect of their learning and life is causing more harm than good. Schools today are drifting away from their true goal of education. Schools now are only focused on grinding lessons and providing data that the students absorb without telling them the what, how, and why of that knowledge. Because of that, the students strengthen only a single aspect of their mind, which is the memory. The students never learn the practical application of that knowledge for the longest time. They do not know the when and where of applying what. The vast majority of people on this planet live for the weekend. Just see the joy on their faces at Friday night and the dreading thought of Monday morning. Children have now learned to accept this as a truth that there are 7 days in a week, 5 will suck, and the remaining 2 will reboot and defragment their systems for the next week. Everyone just wants the students to give the right answer and grade them based on it. Nobody asks them fundamental questions, nobody encourages them to imagine new realities. They don't innovate or question the status quo. They fear standing out because standing out is risky and thus not worth it. They know that when they just color inside the lines, they'll be safe. Do you not love the idea that you work, that you are of service to others, that you can positively affect other people's lives? Or do you also live for Friday night? Today in the world, are educated people causing more harm or uneducated people? Were we better off not being formally educated? Or do we need to change our ways of educating? So, what do you think? Is our education system flawed? Comment below and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.